Hello, and what I want to do is a quick tutorial on what was my favorite iPad app that's now available on the web, and that's Adobe Spark. So as you can see, I'm already logged in. What Adobe Spark allows you to do is create really cool looking videos really easily. You can create other things, because if you notice, I'm already logged in. Now, if you're a teacher and you come here to log in, note you can log in with Google. So if you have students on Chromebooks, it's super easy to get them onto this website. So I'm going to create a new project. Now, when I do that, I ask what do I want to make, a post, a page, or an animated video. So this is great if you have students just creating like something, an ad for a website or something like a Facebook. It's just one little informational thing. If you're going to have them create something more, you can do page. But what we're going to do is a video. So when I hit video, it's going to kind of get ready. It's going to say, what do I want to title this? And maybe I want to say state capitals. I'll hit next. There's different things you can pick in here, and what the idea is that these little themes just kind of have a pre-set up thing for you. If you don't like any of them, you can just do like make up your own. So you can kind of pick something. Now I'm going to pick make up your own, just so I can kind of give you a little more idea what it looks like. This is going to load, and then I get a variety of themes that I can pick from. So if I would have picked one of the previous ones, it would have had kind of a template down here for me to follow. Otherwise, I can just do something simple. So let's say, oh, the Snap one looks kind of cool. Or maybe Spotlight. Oh, I don't know. We'll pick Snap. What the student's able to do is it kind of looks kind of like a simplified PowerPoint. But if you ever used Photo Story, kind of back in the day, this is very similar. I can hit plus, and I can add different content. I can add a video, a photo, a icon, or text. Now, if I pick video or photo, what it's going to do is it's going to want me to upload something to it. So you can see that I can open up videos. If I pick photo, I can either search and find them. I can bring them in from somewhere else. There isn't an option like to use a URL to install it. If you had students on Chromebooks, they could download to their Google Drive and then upload from here. Otherwise, you can use icon or text. And these are the two we'll focus on for this tutorial. So I'm going to hit text. And you notice when I type that, it gives me different options on the kind of the layout of it. So I'm just going to use the one thing. I'm going to say state capitals. Right? Now, when I do that, the student can then add some audio on top of this. So what there is a little mic. Now I already have my mic allowed to record. If this is the first time you're doing it, you'll get some pop-ups saying, do you want to allow this website to access your microphone? You will have to hit allow. So what happens is when I click and hold on this, it's going to start recording. Let's take a closer look at the state capitals. When I let go, it stops the recording. I can see there's something on here. Now a student can hit play. Let's take a closer look at the state capitals. They can hear it right away and decide if they like it or not. Now don't worry about the music. If you kind of heard the music playing in the background a little bit, we can tweak that later. So I make a new slide. And maybe I'm going to start looking at some state capitals. Now I'm from the Midwest, so let's pick some Midwest places. Now one neat thing is this icon. The icon is like simple clip art. So maybe if I pick something like Michigan, let's see what they have for Michigan. And I can see they have some pretty cool ones in here. So here I can see the state of Michigan. Oh, here's one actually with it's like Presque Isle on it. So I can click this guy, and the icon automatically appears. If I don't like it, I can pick a different one. I can switch between them to try to get different ones. All right. I can click there again. You notice how it kind of jumped on me. I can always click to go to something different. All right. So let's pick that one. I kind of like it. Now, if you wanted, you could do thing in caption. So not only does it have that, but the student could also type the word in there. The state capital of Michigan is Lansing. The state capital of Michigan is Lansing. Then the student could add another one. And maybe I'll do icon. Let's say Wisconsin. I can get Wisconsin on here. The state capital of Wisconsin is Madison. Big capital Wisconsin is Madison. So the student could double check that right away. Now I won't go through and do all the states because that probably will get a little boring for you. Now a couple of things you can do though is if I can hear that music is kind of like a ukulele, maybe not my favorite. Up here at the top, I could say music. I could search for other music in here. One nice thing is they actually have it kind of divided into different categories. So let's try like Western Sage. And of course, it wants to hang on me. Oh, there it goes. Ooh, I like that. I'll pick that guy. Then you can always change the themes too if you want. If you click themes, you could change it, but I kind of like that one. So I'm going to leave it. Now, if I hit preview, let's take a closer look at the state capitals. The state capital of Michigan is Lansing. The state capital of Wisconsin is Madison. So pretty cool. I don't know, I got a little reverb there on the first one, but you can see really quickly I was able to make a video using my computer here that looks really kind of neat and adds a cool look to it. Now, if you're happy with it, you can hit share. If you need to work on it some more, you can click X, and it brings you back here. At any point, the student can always click the options menu, and then go back to my projects, and they'll see this comes in here, and this is here. When the student's done with it, they can hit share. When they hit share, it will come up with a little menu asking them just to enter some more information to make sure the project's all done and titled correctly. You see here it's asking me to log in again. I have way too many accounts, so it always kind of bounces me around. But once this screen comes up, I'm ready to enter a little more information. There we go. I can make sure my title's on there, the author name's correct. The student can actually hide that. They do have to pick a category. I normally always just tell students pick education because that's what we're doing. I can hit create public link. And now it's ready to share via a link. So students could turn that in and via like Google Classroom. They could turn a link in there. They could email you a link. They could put it on a website. You could put it on a website, whichever way works best. But Adobe Spark is a really cool way for students to create videos on their Chromebooks or on their MacBooks or on their Windows devices. All right, there we go. We can see the link. Also, note students can download it if they want to, too, if they want to upload it to something else. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it useful, and have a great day.